Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from VideoShowMeHow. We've got a bit of a little mini first look here at the Tuff Terrain 4-hose tyre deflator inflator. This is the new kit from them. We are up here at glorious Punsan Bay at the very tippy top of Australia, and I thought where better than to sort of show you how this sucker works, because we've been testing this guy all the way up the Cape, all the way up Old Telly Track and the whole box and dice, and I thought we'll give you a quick little demo of exactly what you get in the 4-hose kit and just how easy it is to let all 4 tyres down at once and then pump them back up all at the same time. So stick around, let's get started. So as far as you get, this is the 4-tyre kit. You can get a 2-banger as well and have a little bit less hose. The hose does look very daunting, but trust me, you'll see in a minute, it is very simple. And then of course you get this is kind of where all the magic happens. This is the sort of the control unit, the valve, if you will. You've got an input there and an input there, and then this section on the bottom is where your compressor hose goes into, and you've got sort of the on-off switch there as well. Basically you grab the hoses and you have one per side. So how these work is there is the perfect amount of hose to do both sides of the vehicle. So you kind of just do one at a time. Has these really cool little valves that are a one-way valve, so no need to have the little clips or anything like that keep bending. If you've used these before, you know they're a pain in the butt. These just clip on. So you basically just have the one side, this guy here, this just clips straight into the actual valve there. You just sort of pull it back, nice and quick release, pretty sort of straightforward there. And then once you got that in, you can just sort of wander along the side of the car. One set will be longer, one will be shorter. And then when these connect up, standard sort of stuff, as you undo the valve, it is pretty straightforward, because normally you just sort of do the little thing, but these, you just kind of just push it on and that's it. So I reckon that's one of the best parts is, and then to undo it, you just do the single button press, just like that, pops off, push it on, clips on, nice and one-handed. And then similarly down the back, you're just connecting it all up. So all the tires will go through that one hose. That's our one side. We rinse and repeat on the other side. There we go, we've got our other side all connected. Bang, bang, nice and simple. And then I've just flicked over, we did have the my old attachment there for a different compressor, but we've just switched over the compressor so we can use the one that it comes with. It is the standard fittings there like everything else, because then, so you can see our average pressure there equalized across all the tires is 25.6. It's not rocket science, you just pull that and you're letting the air straight out. Let's see how quick it was. We were 25.6 and we're already down a full PSI, down to 24.7, there you go. So you can see that letting all 4 down all at the same time is pretty nice and easy. We've got some big sucker 35s on this beast of a Patrol. So a little bit more air than the little D-Max over there, but we'll just, there we go, we're already down at 22. So you can see how effective that is. Dead simple. I reckon from here, let's have a bit of a demo the other way around, and we'll put some air back into the tyres. So we've got the compressor there under the driver's seat. We'll whiz around the connections, show you how easy that is, and we'll put some air back in. All right, so we've got the same connector here, the ARB compressor, so it has the same, it'll work straight out of the box. So that's the nice one-handed connector. Bang, straight in there. We can then turn on the old compressor. We're at 22.5 there, 22.7. Flick on the compressor. So compressor's turned on there. We let the valve go and we're going back in. And the cool thing with this, if you've got the standard sort of compressor that has the cutout switch like most of them do, you don't have to go running back around to your compressor. To check what you're up to, it's a matter of just turning that valve back off, and then you'll get a readout of exactly what we're up to. So we're already at 23. We'll let that go again. We're dropping it everywhere. We'll give that a little second. Bang on about the 29. We've still got some driving here on the sand, so 29 around Punsan Bay. So we're at 29. There you go. You can see just how easy that is. And if you imagine yourself having to sort of muck around with you know, one tire at a time, makes things just that much easier. To then disconnect, you can't be any simpler. You just press the little knobby bit in on all 4. I'll just show you this side. Pretty straightforward like that. These are already kind of pretty much starting to coil themselves, so you just sort of coil those back up nice and easily, and then back up into the bag, and that is as simple as it gets. So there you go guys, that is a quick demo of the new Tuff Terrain inflate and deflate kit for 4 tyres. Comes with everything you need, including the massive carry bag that you can fit all sorts of stuff into. Make sure you use my link down in the video description if you're keen to check a set out. I'll have a sort of a direct link there in the video description to show you exactly where you can pick one of these up for yourself through Outback Equipment. Massive thank you to the patrons of Video Show Me How. As always, thank you very much, guys, for your extra support. If you're keen to get involved with the stuff that's going on over there are perks and some merch and that sort of stuff, as well as the monthly and a bit draws that we do, the giveaways. All you got to do to get involved in those is just be a patron. So if that's interesting to you, head on over, click the link in the video description and check it out. That's it for this one, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more videos like this one. But other than that, guys, as always, I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.